Imagine you are sitting at launch control at Kennedy Space Center. You're monitoring one of the space shuttle's main systems prior to launch. Your job is to make sure that the readouts are all within launch range, and you are responsible for making the decision as to whether the system you are monitoring is ready for launch or not. Now, the launch control officer asks you if you are a go or no-go for launch.
Countdown is holding at T-minus 3 minutes. The launch readiness poll will now be conducted. LD report.
LD reports. Go for launch.
OTC report.
OTC reports. Go for launch.
GLS report.
GS reports. Go for launch.
The countdown begins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff! We have liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery. To many people around the world, the launching of a NASA space shuttle is one of the most awe-inspiring moments. And to many children around the world, especially those who have experienced a shuttle launch live, it is a moment that changes their lives forever. However, like most people, children never really imagine themselves having the opportunity to sit at launch control and feel the rush of launching the shuttle into space. Thanks to the Education Department at NASA's Kennedy Space Center, students now have the opportunity to experience the thrill of launching the shuttle firsthand. With Klass, or Kennedy Launch Academy Simulation System, teachers can bring real-life shuttle launch scenarios into their classrooms and provide authentic application of concepts learned in their classroom. Klass is modeled after the actual launch training software program used by NASA during simulated launch countdown training. It uses 5 models of the space shuttle systems to give teachers the opportunity to reinforce many concepts learned in the classroom. It enables students the opportunity to experience real-life launch scenarios, collect launch data, and to gain real-life application of what they have learned in class. It is an instructional tool tied to national standards that allows a teacher to have cross-curricular and differentiated instruction which actively engages all students. With Klass, students will learn how to problem solve, record and track data, and work as a member of a team to successfully complete a task, launching a space shuttle. Since Klass is a computer-based networked simulation, students will gain valuable computer skills while interacting with each other on a variety of launch scenarios experienced by NASA's launch control. Because Klass is modeled after the real launch program, it uses real-life launch scenarios and real-life data for each of the 5 modeled systems. With Klass, students will have a meaningful learning experience while experiencing the fun and excitement of an interactive simulation. Klass is designed to work off one teacher station that is networked to a number of student workstations. Once all launch problems are solved and the simulation enters the final seconds of the countdown, the students can watch, via projection, the launch of a real space shuttle. During this launch video, students can see how the data on their system changes as a result of the launch, giving them the feeling of launching the space shuttle. Since Klass is accompanied by a variety of support and background materials, Klass can be used as a long-term instructional curriculum. However, as powerful as it can be long-term, Klass is just as powerful if it was used as a 1- or 2-day activity. Either way, students experience the reality of launching a space shuttle. Klass is one of the most valuable tools that a teacher can use in their classroom. Klass brings the real world into the classroom. It is with these experiences that students are actively engaged in the learning process and are able to see how what they are learning relates to the real world. By bringing this software to your classroom, your students will have the exciting opportunity to experience the role of a launch countdown engineer and saying,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Liftoff of Shuttle Discovery.